Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss the next point in a function is the categories of function. Second category of function is a function without return type, without a return type and with the arguments and with the argument. When a function does not return any value, void is used or written at the place of return type. When a function doesn't return any value, void is used or void is written at the place of return type, at the place of a return type, at the place of return type. When a function has arguments, these arguments are written within the parenthesis. When a function has arguments, these arguments are written within parenthesis, So the general syntax of declaring the function without return type but with the argument is given below. Syntax of declaration: void, that is return type, function name and argument list. This part is called as declaration part. Next, to call the function without return type but with the argument, following format is used. Syntax to call the function. Syntax to call the function is only function name and list of actual parameters, semicolon. These are the syntax of call. Every parameter is generated by comma in the list of following all are the valid function calls. We can call the function like this sum, and here we pass the values. This is valid. Or here we take suppose 3 integer values, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, z is equal to 20. These values are assigned to that each and every variables, and we pass or we call the function like x, y, z. This is also valid. Or after that, this is valid first, this is second valid, this is third valid function call, that is x plus y comma y minus y or z. We can write also sum x comma y 20. These are the valid function calls. Sum x plus y or sum x plus y minus 5 comma z are the valid, or it is an expression. This is an expression. We can pass the expression, we can pass the values, we can pass the variables, or we can pass the values and variables. All the valid. Okay, let us see one example of this category. Write a program to add two numbers using this category, or using with argument and without return type and without return type. Let us see. Here we include two header files. After that, we declare a function void add integer. Here we pass two arguments or two parameters. This called as a function declaration. After function declaration, we start the main section. In the main, we take two arguments, that is a and b. After that, we print these two numbers from user. Here enter two numbers After that we call that function by using only function name, and here we pass two variables. This called as a function call getCH. Here main section is completed. After that we write add function, void add. Here we pass two arguments, integer x and integer y. In that we take one argument, integer c, and here stores the result of addition in a c variable and print that c. That is printf addition is equal to %d(c). Close curly bracket. In this example, suppose in main section, or here is a function declaration. After declaring a function in main section, here we take two arguments, integer a comma b. Enter two numbers. Enter two numbers means we enter suppose 2, 3, these two numbers, and we call the function add. After calling this function, add, cursor goes to the add of definition. In this definition we take one argument, that is we take one variable, that is c, and in c variable we stores the result of this addition and print that c, and this c returns to that function call, or it returns phi, result or addition equal to phi. Thank you.